Testing. Good morning, everybody. I think we are live now. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning note. It is June 17th, 2020. My name is Carlos Garcia. I'm the founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Welcome aboard again. We do this every morning at 9 a.m. Let's check futures here. Dow futures are up 73 points off the highs. NASDAQ futures are above 10,000, up about half a percent. S&P futures at 3129, up about 0.34%. Russell 2000 lagging the rest of the indices, 1455, but still green. Crude oil is down about 1%. Bitcoin basically flat. Gold is down about half a percent. Silver futures of about 0.33. 10-year bonds are actually bidding slightly. Dollar yen for my Forex people, 107.35. Dollar index is up as well, 0.20%, and gasoline futures down about 1% this morning. So let's kind of go over yesterday. Yesterday we played a couple of trades on our live trading session, kind of a trading training session that we did to celebrate our 75,000 Instagram followers. So we hit yesterday Microsoft, Alibaba, and SPY for a scalp bounce. We did that pretty well. Congratulations. And we also did an Apple trade, the 355 calls. They're now in the money now. So let's see how we do in the open. When I close, I'll definitely let you guys know on Instagram, on Twitter that it's closed, and we'd be done with that. So pretty solid work for a Tuesday. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from you guys saying that you guys want more live videos of trading. We can do that, definitely. Again, if you guys, we can get more subscribers, more likes, more positive comments on our YouTube page, that'd be great. Feel free to share our YouTube channel. That'd be nice. Again, we just want to get more people to watch. Again, doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to buy anything. It's not about buying anything. It's about just helping you guys, answering questions, and just having some fun. Basically, let's not take life too seriously here. But if you guys want more, definitely type in the comments on this video, subscribe to our video, like our videos. We really do appreciate that. So let's see. Questions here. Great trading yesterday. Would love more of those. Thanks for the free two. Hey, you guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. Again, would love to do more. Definitely. Let's see if we can get to 100,000 Instagram followers. If we can get to 4,000 YouTube subscribers, that'd be great. Again, more would be nice. Again, we just want to get more followers. That's all we want at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and take a look at some pre-market movers. Again, the NASDAQ is pushing here. So let's see what's moving. I'll go ahead and bring up the most active. Norwegian Cruise Line saying that they're going to halt some voyages. So they're down about 10%. American Airlines, again, the leisures are down today. Carnival, American, industries, industrials as well. Banks and tanks, like we say, are down today. Just another rotation. AMD is up slightly, 0.68%. Wells Fargo is actually green, about half a percent. Ford is up 1%, and Apple's up about 1% as well. So we have those calls. Again, you can see most of the airlines are down today. Energy is down as well. Occidental is down about 1%. Some news that came out. Let's go ahead and bring up our trusty tweet deck, which we use on a daily basis. Let me go ahead and block this account number because we don't want this out on the universe either. Where was I? Okay. So let's take a look at some of the news that just came out. We definitely love our friends at LiveSquawk. Housing starts, missed expectations, but still positive. Building permits, missed expectations, but still positive. So that's some good news there. Target is raising their starting wage to $50 an hour. Let's see, we had some other news. Mortgage applications came in about 8%. Last week was about 9.3%, but still going to the positive side, to the upside. Tesla registrations plunge in California, data tracker says. I think Tesla is green pre-market. Yeah, they're up about $4 pre-market as I see here. So that's basically some of the news of today. And also Jerome Powell, Fed chair, will be speaking today in front of the House of Representatives, testifying. Home builder sentiment posts biggest monthly surge ever, a sign that housing is rebounding from the coronavirus. That's a great piece of news. With that being said, the Dow's up 80 points. So let's go ahead and start taking a look at a couple of levels that I'm looking at. Again, ES is my thing. You know that. We had a nice little plunge yesterday. I remember we did this live. I'm so glad these things happened in the 2 hour window that we had yesterday because we had a big push pre-market, then a fade at the open, which can happen. And then we played some trades. We got out of one. We had three open, and then we had a plunge, like a fall with Powell speaking, and we stayed patient. We had two more. I'm sorry. We stayed patient. We added the S&P call right at the 100-day moving average on the hourly. We told you the technicals on that one. We played the bounce. I think we got about 32, 33% on that. If we would have held, obviously, would be great because you could see here SPY did bounce beautifully off that 100-day moving average of right around 308.11. I think we had the 313 calls. So if you guys held it, congratulations, you're pretty much solid right now. We got up for about 32%, so pretty happy about that. But again, I'm glad that you see the patience. I remember a lot of people were saying, "Are you still holding Apple? Are you still holding Apple? Are you still holding this? Oh, my stop loss." Forget that, guys. Again, your stop loss should be the size of your position. If, for example, it's a $500 position, you should not be sweating that you lose $500. If that's too much, then you need to lower your position size. It's that simple. Your position size should be your pain threshold. If $200 is too much pain, then that's your max. $100 and lower it. Again, I'd rather have an option that's $500 that gives me a whole week to give me a little bit of room, wiggle room to see how the movie plays out, than a $1,000 trade with a 50% stop loss at $500 because then I'll be sweating it. I don't want to be worried. So again, guys, you're gonna have losses. Last week was rough. This is not easy. Yesterday, yes, we had a really good day, but again, guys, last week we had a tough one. That Thursday flush was tough. Monday we had some puts. Those are gonna probably be a loss, and that's okay. Don't sweat what happened before. Move forward. If you're gonna keep dwelling on losses, this is not the industry for you guys. No one's perfect. We've never claimed that we are. We post our weekly our trades every single week, win or lose, guys. And yes, do we get crap for it? All the time. All the time. Yeah, you guys are this, you guys are that. You know what? I'd rather be honest and transparent with you guys and give you guys the expectations, the correct ones, than throwing money like $10,000 on a trade and giving you the expectations that you think you're going to be a millionaire. No, we don't say that. We'll never do that. We're not going to do that, guys. Just a heads up. Just give you my 2 cents. Let's answer some questions. Thanks for this free 2K on Microsoft. Hey, well, Flo, it wasn't free. It wasn't free because you did it. That was you. You pressed the button. Don't give us too much credit, guys. You're the ones that actually press the button. You're the ones that make the trade. So congratulations, Flo. You deserve it. You have an entry level on Twitter today. Let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter, I have a level at 35.50. If we break that, then we can start taking a look at it. James Amps asks us, Oracle released their earnings today. Do you like Oracle yesterday? Do you like Oracle calls? No, I think Oracle fell pre-market. They are still down pre-market, so I don't see a reason why to get into this to any calls on Oracle, to be honest with you. There's a couple of plays I'm looking at. I'll show you. Sean is asking about Nvidia. Nvidia, I have a level at 372.32. Place your alert there, and then that's that gap fill right there. If you break that, then we could talk. Do you buy gold periodically? If not, what's the next buy level? Gold, the only thing I have with gold is gold miners, which is Bear Gold. That's the only one I have, and that's in my portfolio. But I also own physical gold. To be honest with you, I really don't have a price target on when to buy gold. I just honestly, if I have some money that I want to just put in my safe, like say some extra cash or whatever, then I go ahead and just buy some gold. I don't have a price target. To me, gold is not meant for growth. It's meant as a hedge against inflation. We're in a deflationary environment. So there's no point of just putting a price target. To be honest here. So, and I definitely don't want to buy high. So if you want to go ahead and start taking a look at the gold chart and start looking at some good prices, then we could do that. Sure. I'm going to go ahead and expand gold futures, and this will give you the per ounce, and you see pretty much range bound here. So let's go on the daily and start seeing what looks decent. I would say about 1660 should be a decent one. That's right at the 100-day moving average. Anything below 1600 would probably be a good entry to buy some more gold. Remember, that'll be $1,600 an ounce. So I would say about 1600 seems about right. That would be a good level to buy some more gold. There's a couple things that I'm watching. I'll go ahead and give them to you, but you just have to be careful. There's one that I'm really kind of looking at here. It is Roku. Right around 121, I'll say watching. I'm going to go ahead and type it here. Roku above 121 and Microsoft above 195.26. And we played Roku yesterday as a signal group, and we caught that. Wish I would have held because I had the 120 calls. So, but I would have been the money. But either way, I think I made like 43%. So I'm pretty content with that. So those are the two I'm really watching today, Roku and Microsoft, above 195.26. And if you do target the uh, Microsoft, you could target the 200s for this week. If you target Roku, then you'd have to target the 122, 50s, something like that, somewhere around those areas. Urban One is up 151. Yeah, I heard about that, but again, I don't think that company even has options. Closing Apple at the open, Emmanuel. Yeah, I mean, sure, we'll get to see. Don't close it right at 931. Give it a little bit of room because you need the spread to tighten, the difference between the bid and ask, and you go from there. So you're a savage in Roku. Yeah. Well, Kevin, our VP, caught that, and I was waiting for a break, and we got in. So very well done. Very well done. So shout out to Kevin, our VP of options trading. He caught that. Very well done. And he got a bag on it. He went earlier. Lots up this morning on virus drug news. Are you expecting a strong day for a sell-off? Do you like banks, FAC? The only bank, guys, I said I only have two that I like. It's really JPM and Goldman. Now, if you're talking about trading, it's JPM and Citi. Citi, if you want to start playing Citi, let's go ahead and place and learn at 57, 56. Play that. That's fine. You can play a bull market to the upside. If you're playing JPM at home, VAC, I hate trading that in options. Same thing with JPM. If you're above 109.01, then we can start trading the call options there. But until then, you're not really getting much. And I'm an actual shareholder of JPM. Will Roku keep climbing? Yeah, we just went ahead and talked about it. I haven't learned at 121. It's a very screwy one. Roku likes to play games. I've been burned before. So again, I get a little gun shy when it comes to Roku, and I'm also a shareholder of this stock. If you want to take a look at 121, which should be a decent level, I think if you break 121, then you could probably re-enter. But keep in mind it's Wednesday, so you have to kind of keep your strike relatively close. 122.50, 123 should get you home. Let's see. There's one more I think everyone was asking me about yesterday was Square. Square, let's go ahead and put an alert at the highs at 95.87. If you break that, then we could start taking a look at maybe 96, 96 and a half, 97s. Facebook for 240. Let's see here. The 240 calls. No, I have an alert at 241.75. That's that wick high. If we break that, that'll confirm the upside, and we'll continue to go there. Qs, well, NASDAQ futures are above 10,000. Great sign. I haven't learned at 244.34. We're above that. That's a good sign. You could probably target 247. I would recommend that anything you get into this week, today, maybe go for next week strike because it'll give you a couple of extra days. Rather not play for Friday expiry, honestly. The only one I would play for Friday expiry maybe is Microsoft. I think Microsoft definitely has a juice above 195. It wants 200. And then with Facebook always goes the other way. Yeah, Facebook is a screwy one. Cameron asked about Beyond up. Yeah, Beyond is another one, another momentum play. It's at 156.97 of about $5. I haven't learned at 163.21 to confirm that breakout. Until we get there, I'm not touching that thing, to be honest with you. And again, I played Beyond many times, so I'm nothing against it personally. But yeah, there's a couple of names I'm watching. It's basically just I have an alert set on Roku. If you want to, I'll go ahead and tweet it. Let's see. I'll go ahead and put it here. Microsoft above 195.26, and then Roku. See if I have that level here. Roku above 121. So I just put two. I put the Roku and the Microsoft up there. So any other questions this morning? BA. Let's take a look at BA together. BA, I have an alert above 208.60 if you want to play calls. If you want to play puts, then you want to take a look at the 100-day, which is right around 188.25. That would be right at the 200-day moving average, which kind of gives you a good level. But we have bounced above those below those levels, so kind of give yourself a little room. Maybe 186 should be a good one. So I want to go ahead and put 186. That's $2 below the 100-day, the 200-day. So let's go ahead and put that level there, 186. 186 should be a decent level to go ahead and play some puts. But right now, 208.60 for the upside. All right, there's no other questions. We'll go ahead and leave it there. Long-term investment club team, we have our biannual video conference. So we're going to go over our portfolio. We're going to go over your portfolio, answer some questions about our long-term investment picks, and see what stocks we like moving forward. and I'll go over my portfolio live with you guys. I'll give you the date on exactly when we'll start, and it'll be a conference level one, a conference type meeting, and can't wait to set you guys up. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of days. I'll announce exactly when we'll do it. If you're interested, you can feel free to join our long-term investment club. It's $30 a month. G.A.R capitalfx.com. I just put my live portfolio up, and then I'll answer your questions about long-term investments, long-term stocks that you like. Every time I buy a stock, I just basically let you guys know on what I buy and what I sell. Any interest in stock? God, I want to buy that stock so bad. I'm very heavy tech, to be honest with you. So if you want to go ahead and actually play some calls, you have to go ahead and really get to this level at 826.65, and then you could probably play the gap fill around to 850. But you need about 12, 14 more dollars. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and leave it there, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for the morning note. Happy Wednesday, happy trading. And if you see profit on Apple from yesterday's trade, anything above 40, anything above 30, feel free to just take it, to be honest, be smart. But I'll tell you guys on Twitter, and I'll tell you guys on Instagram when we close. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Have a great rest of your day. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe our videos. Really do appreciate your support. Maybe we'll do another live trading session. Just make sure to spread the word about this channel. It costs you nothing to just subscribe. It costs your friends nothing to subscribe. Again, we really do appreciate the growth of the channel. Thanks, guys, and have a great one.